Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna show you the overall descriptive data analysis. Since the statistics are categorized into descriptive as well as inferential statistics, so we need to now descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. What does mean descriptive statistics means? As we know, descriptive statistics are used to organize or summarize a set of data in order to describe the various features of a set of data. Just it is a distribution of our data. We can describe our data. We can't give any inference. Okay, we can't give any inference. But the only thing that we do just we describe our data. Okay, just distributions. For example, your name is this, your age is this. Okay, we can't compare with the others. We can't refer to the population. We can't inference to the population, as well as we can't give any decision. But just we describe. Okay, you are this much. You are this much. Okay, so in SPSS. Here we have descriptive statistics summary. How we can describe our data? The first thing is creating frequency table and cross tabulation. Okay, creating frequency table and cross tabulation. Second, presenting data using diagram or graph or chart or like chart, histogram, and so on. Frequency polygon, or maybe or give maybe pie chart and so on. We can present our data. Okay, just we can display to a visualized form. Okay, like a pictures. Again, the next step and the last step is summarizing data by numerical measures, by finding a mean, median, mode, variance. Okay, standard deviation, standard scores, coefficient of variation, and so on. Just we need to measure, or we need to summarize our data using numerical measures. Okay, numerical by numbers. You can describe it by numbers, by obtaining a mean of something. Okay, we can say the mean age of this class is it is 24. Okay, the mean weight of this class may be 65. So we can describe like that. Okay, so when I come to tabular summary, or the way we describe into table, the first thing is frequency distribution table, as well as cross tabulations. So both are used to summarize the data in a table forms. Okay, the two are used to summarize the data in a table forms. When we say frequency distribution table, this table is shows a number of cases or data values within different categories. Okay, it's used to organize or summary data in some meaningful table forms. Okay, which consists of a class, a frequency, percentage, different numeric measures. Okay, to obtain frequency table in a SPSS, just go to analyze. Okay, go to analyze, then descriptive statistics, then frequency. Okay, select just describing descriptive statistics. Here we have the format reset. Okay, for the first time SPSS gives us this kind of menus. So we need to select one or more quantitative as well as qualitative data. Okay, so just I click on the variable and press or click this shift menu, so immediately sends to these areas. Okay, so and I can say immediately okay. When I say okay, again click on display frequency tables. Okay, this one. okay? You can uncheck or check it, okay? So check on it, then okay. Look, here we have a frequency, okay, and the statistics. You have a valid 14 number of aliens and a 0 missing. This is frequency table, okay? Aliens for each variable, alien species, okay? Alien species have this too much. 50 is 20, it's a frequency table, percent table, valid percent, cumulative percent, okay? You know. Again, what? When you come to year of education, here, year of education, there's also a percentage, okay? For another variable, before new drugs, okay? Here also frequency table. Similarly for income variable, and finally after new drug. For this variable, after new drug, we have this kind of frequency what? Distribution. This kind of frequency distributions, okay? And similarly, okay, and similarly to obtain what? To obtain again optionally as option, okay? I wanted to close this output window. Similarly, go to analyze descriptive statistics, descriptive I mean okay, for cross tabulation, for cross tabulation go to analyze descriptive cross tabulation, okay? Go to analyze descriptive statistics and cross tabulation table. For what? Cross tabulation table normally gives us visualized information about relationship between two or more categorical variable or data, okay? We are going to show what linear or there's what kind of relationship occurs, okay? Just the relationship between two variables or maybe what more than two variables, okay? Then press cross tabulation, again reset it, okay? So one variable is what sent to what in row, as well as another variable sent to what the column, okay? Then immediately you can say what? Okay, you can say okay. Here we have cross tabulation table, okay? Alien species versus what before new drug cross tabulation, okay? How might they are what? How might they are cross violated, okay? Or cross violation of the variable. Again, we can check in statistics. We need to check a chi-square test for what kind of statistics we use, okay? So chi-square statistics. Then press OK. Look, here we have what chi-square tests, okay? Here we have a chi-square test is for cross violation. Here we have the chi-square test. We can now, here we have percent chi-square test, likelihood ratio test, as well as linear by linear association test. So we can identify how much they are, they have relationships, okay? By using the chi-square statistics, we can measure the relationships. And again, what as optional, go to analyze the descriptive statistics, then descriptive, okay, or frequency. In statistics chart, we can select what? We can select different statistics, okay? Measure of dispersion, we have this, the measure of central tendency, like mean, median, mode, and the sum. So, and a measure of again position, that's quartile, decile, percentile, and so on. Again, skewness and the cortex are there. So, okay, we can select whatever we want, okay? We can select whatever we want, then continue. Again, similarly, for a chart like bar chart or bar chart, histogram, and so on, we can select whatever we desire as an optional, okay? Again, continue. So we can say okay. Here we have our output. This is our output, okay? You know, this is our output. Here we have cross validation, chi-square test, as well as frequency distribution, frequency table for each variable, okay? Come to here, we have a bar chart. Look, a bar chart for each variable, okay? A bar chart for each variables. So we can have this all outputs. This is the way we describe. Okay, in other words, just to